Hey y'all, good morning. We are on our way with our truck and RV from California to Texas today. Actually, it's gonna take us about 4 days to drive down there with the stops in between. Aiden is in the truck doing his schoolwork right now, and my husband is just finishing up the last things for us to get ready to go. Took us a few hours to get ready this morning, but we are on our way already. So I don't think we've mapped out our plan yet, or our road yet. I don't usually do the mapping, my husband does. But he'll usually map out like all the stops that we're gonna make and everything that we need along the way. And I basically take care of food and snacks. That's my on the way job. And Aiden usually does the schoolwork and then has some time to play whatever, his video games or whatever he wants to watch in the car. But yeah, anyway, it's time for us to go. I am looking forward to this drive. It's been a while since we've driven to Texas. The last time we drove to Texas was last year. So it's been a year since we've driven there. So I'm actually really looking forward to it. Babe, what are you doing back there? I thought he was ready to go, but now he says he's got to clean something. Let me show y'all what he's up to. This man be doing the most. Look at him back here. Be careful. He said he needs to clean something. What is he cleaning? I don't know what he's cleaning, but he's up on the top of the RV. Anyway, yeah, that's it. We are getting ready to head out. So I will keep you guys updated on our drive and our stops and what we're up to. And how much we spend on gas. Because that's a question I get asked a lot. It's like, how much do you spend on gas? Well, I'm going to add all the numbers. And then when we get to Texas or to Dallas, is where we're driving to. I'm going to let you guys know how much we spend on gas. Because, yeah, I know it's going to be a lot.